We're diving into the world of credit score improvement, exploring the latest trends and hacks that can help you boost your credit score quickly. We've got plenty of insights, anecdotes, and a sprinkle of humor to keep things interesting. Improving your credit score can open doors to better financial opportunities. Let's explore some of the latest trends and hacks in credit score improvement using our top keywords. Credit counseling to improve credit score. Credit counseling to improve credit score is a great place to start. These services offer personalized advice and strategies to help you manage your debt and improve your credit score. Does Apple Card improve credit score? Ever wondered, does Apple Card improve credit score? Using the Apple Card responsibly can help build your credit by reporting your payment history to credit bureaus. Need help with my credit? If you need help with my credit, there are numerous resources available. From online forums to professional services, getting help with your credit has never been easier. Help repair my credit. Seeking help repair my credit can lead to significant improvements. Companies specializing in credit repair can negotiate with creditors and remove inaccuracies from your credit report. Fix You Credit. It's essential to fix you credit as soon as possible. Quick actions like paying off small debts and correcting errors can make a big difference. I need help fixing my credit. When you say, I need help fixing my credit, you're not alone. Many people seek professional assistance to navigate the complex world of credit repair. Help my credit. Taking steps to help my credit involves monitoring your credit report and staying on top of payments. Consistency is key to improvement. Will consolidating debt increase credit score? A common question is, will consolidating debt increase credit score? Consolidating debt can simplify payments and potentially improve your credit score by reducing your credit utilization rate.